All right, it is December 29th, Tuesday in the market today. Let's take a look what happened. Dow Jones minus 68, S&P minus 8, NASDAQ minus 49, small caps minus 37. VIX was up to 2308, 6%. Gold was flat, 1881, silver 26, oil 48.13 was up 1%. So stimulus passed the 600. They're still debating the 2000. It was knocked down by McConnell. So ridiculous what's going on. So yeah, that was knocked down. The market's still very high out there. Let's take a look at small caps and let's see what happened today. There's Jan moving after hours. You can see here, look at this 8 line, how many times it hit that, making another move towards that 8 line. What happened with other stocks today wasn't as strong as last few days of the week. The moves are pre-market today. Like I said before, these moves happen for now 6 a.m. Look at this, bounced up, went all the way up towards that 275 area, came back, tried again, but faded. So when you have a move down here to here, see, that's the move. The move happened pre-market. It didn't happen at the open. So that's how you got to look at it there. And, pre-market is always choppier, tougher to read. So that was the move there. And that was a good short. UUU. This happened yesterday, 4:05 a.m. See this move from here was like 5, came up 7, 8, all the way up to 14, bounced hard, tried to get back to that 14, didn't make it, they didn't hold it. Excuse me. Then this drop, look at this, drop like a rock. So again, look at this move from here. That's pretty much low to high. And where do you think it's going? Going to keep going there? Very rarely from pre-market, it's going to go all the way up there. This move like a $9 move. So there's the move. So the moves today were pre-market. Like yesterday, the moves were at the open. They were lower open to high. So that's all it is. It's just where it's at. BNGO. See, this moves lower. This moves lower and it went sideways. Then it moved up. Not a great gainer. Like 30 cents. Then it bounced all the way down. Then moved to 145. So it was a pretty good long there. TCCO, this faded from the pre-market. Look at this. Complete fade right there. INMR. 1050 line. 13. Then bounced up. Cost, another fader. EQ bounced, very hard long right there. See his GBR, another one. So a lot of these stocks, they didn't make it. They were like short. They bounced pre-market today, straight up, moves. Look at this, MTMB. RHE did the same type of move here. Look at this from yesterday. Came up, not the best of volume. What's this volume here? Acts pretty good. And then this went all the way up towards 6 plus. Then came back down. CSTE. 1150 all the way up towards 1375. Then went sideways. That was a pretty good long right there. NYSZ. Very tired today. 130 all the way up to 155. OBLN 160 is a sharp move. See, a lot of the moves, they were sharp moves. Faded from the top. Very few longs that like held that were quality longs. Like, it's a straight up move. It's a pretty good move. Another one is straight up, very fast. INMB. There's a late day move. OXBR this is a pretty solid move here. this was in a top gainers list. It fell because other moves, but yeah, this had 175 back to 2. Then the lows kept getting higher. To see this, that's not a bad long. That's a nice dip long on that. So that's a pretty good move. PDD was very good, higher priced. GCI, you get one of these moves, and yeah, the candles are very tight, small. It just keeps riding up, so you get a big sell candle. That's good if you can spot it. ISG, TGN, okay. All right, so this is a quick recap today. Not the best of moves. Take a look at some other stocks. IRCT, this is the huge drop. I think their drug for COVID failed. ACY after the move. Look at the volume today. Very little volume because there's a pump, then just fade it down. So not much to go over today. Let's go over some other stuff. We'll look at the SPY. Yeah, the SPY still high up here. You're forming a massive wedge again. Bearish candle again, but it's still like it's bouncing down, going up, bouncing. It's not really rocketing forward, so that's where the SPY is. There's the VIX. See this? Come back down. Come back down. Come back down to the 20 level. If you draw a line right here, see this is a big descending triangle. So this might come out and really explode up again. It's staying above 20, so yeah, that's where that is. There's the NASDAQ. You can see this is clear. Look at this long here. Straight up. Very high up here. Here's the Dow Jones. Another, big move in April, March. April, this one all the way up. There we're 30,000. It looks like now, see, this is staggering down. We're getting that divergence here. See this, the high, it's bouncing, but it keeps getting lower. It's a weird stagger here. So we'll see what happens with that. Here's defense. See that big line here? So it's trying to go back up, falling back again. We'll see on defense. There's Cuck. See this one up, double top, came back, trying to go back up again. So a few stocks here, very, very choppy today. A very tough day for small caps. There's some good moves. You had to pick which one though. It wasn't easy. The top ones didn't really last. They moved pre-market. Like UUU here. It moves all pre-market here. See this? The move up, and then there's your top. So you didn't have a move here and then move up. That was the LXBR chart. See that low? See how low this is? Then up, then it bounced all the way up. So tougher day. Let me take a look at get on the list here. Let me get down to Take a look at some small caps. So you can see this 4 line on this. This is bounced many times. Look for a break over 4. I would look for on that. And then your stop, you have 3 here too. So a 3 line's big, or 4 line. AGRX. This is forming a very big wedge here. The low keeps getting higher, higher. As long as this like trend line holds, this could bounce up to 350 plus. There's Craig China. Yeah, this will spike. Complete China, pops and drops, made it to 10. So who knows what this will do? Very crazy stock. VTVT Therapeutics made a huge move up and it got back down again. Yeah, this could fall all the way to this trend line. And this could bounce all the way down there. And CTY, the reverse split. You have this nice gap. This could go to 4, 5 plus if it really has room there. If it really runs. BCLY Brainstorm coming down. Big gap here. Yeah, this could double bottom here at like 387. Doesn't look like it's filling here. You could get news though. And the H spiking. And then coming back. Yeah, this has to hold here at 253. Ears had the big move. 150 to 650 plus, came back. Now, if this doesn't hold that 250 line, this will drop back. It'll drop back hard. ADAP. So let me make this line here. It's tougher to say here. See here, here. It's came with the 5s, coming back a little bit. Yeah, that trend line 4 could hold. It's not really a great chart. CNET, another spiker, sloppy chart. Not really interested. Could spike though. Anything else spiking after hours? CNFR. Okay, this is spiking after hours. Get a lot of these spike after hours. So today was definitely not the best of days. Shorts and long, a lot of stocks didn't hold today. They popped and flopped. So here's your TENX, the pop. Very jaggedy, then flop down. It was all pre-market. Bulk of the move pre-market. BNGO, pretty good low, but right here, once you see that, probably to stop. Yeah, it was a small gainer. But small gainers are all right if you can make 2 to 500. That's still good. IMMR. Yeah, EQ. These are just very choppy too. Like they didn't have the good follow through of this cost. So not the best of days. RHE popped again. Some other stocks. Just looking for random stocks today. BA, Boeing. See this big move up. Those June. It's getting oversold again. See this? Keeps staggering down. Might bounce up. What are some other plays? Some airlines. Yeah. See the big run in June. This had the big run December. Yeah, they're all fading back down a little bit. Are they going to come all the way back? It's too tough to say yet. BLMN. This is Bloomin' Brands. This has been in the straight run up. Casinos. Yeah, this has been on the tear since November. They're overbought. But how far will they drop? That's the key. We don't know. There's some other stocks. Wells Fargo was on a run. See this big move, tightening, really exploded up. Yeah, the divergence is going back down now. It could reach the top here. We'll see. If not, it could retest this 33, 30, almost 34 area, we'll say, on that. All right, so that's just a quick video today. Not the best of moves. Tougher day. That's why that pre-market, you're going to trade pre-market, use that pre-market as like you would say the open. That means the moves from the bottom to the top, it's going to be the move unless you're shorting. Or else just wait for something at the open. It looks pretty good at that point. All right, please subscribe and like the channel. Quick video today. And that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades, Stock Twits on YouTube. Thank you. Peace.